ban kenmau ya ka jingdap nyo phosan snem jongkari India bat san phosnem jongka jalam meklia ka skul St George Higher Secondary School Nongmansung harengkat ka North East Space Application Center kila penlong ya ka program kabashisngi panyo jingtip syapang ka jinglong jingman jongka perthei bat ki ki badon ha ka perthei bat ki jingtip syapang ka science ha katai ka program syapang ka jing start science ka office trekam jongka nisak Umyam Ribhoi District kalwan pen ipaj ba yaka kali kabakit yaka perthei bat kitiar kitar kibadon ha ka hau rengkat lang kitiar nuklear ne roket kabaki start scientist kari India kilashna ha katai ka program laya shimbenta da ki khynnah ka St George Higher Secondary School ha ka jingyalam u principal usa Simon Andrew bat balapli pajba da u scientist kan nisak u Dr. Bijoy Krishna senior scientist u Dr. Bijoy Krishna harengkat ki nongtrei katai ka tnad space kilai ka jing batai ya ki khynnah school syapang ka hau bat ka jinglong jong ka perthei bat ka jing start jong ka sayan katkum ka juk ka bamenta bat kum juru ya ka jingdon jingtip syapang ka me meryang.
Say 12,000 kilometer, 1,000 kilometer, different satellites are placed in different height.
They said a very few schools have used this space on wheels in Shillong. So when I came to know about this, I was really inquisitive. I thought of calling them to the campus and get the maximum benefit of this space on wheels to the students. Told the students yesterday with regard to this space on wheels in our campus tomorrow. They were really thrilled and they wanted to see personally what exactly. Now with these young minds coming and witnessing and those senior scientists explaining to them about this space on wheels, I'm sure their interest has increased more, and in a few years time a lot of young scientists will be born from this group of students.
Thank you. I'm Dr. B.K. Hendik, scientist from Northeastern Space Application Center. So I think all of you must be knowing, sir, this year we are celebrating 75 years of Indian independence. It is we call Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav. So what we are celebrating, also we are celebrating the Golden Jubilee year of statehood of the state of Meghalaya. So it's such an important year, and it is always nice to popularize and bring the space technology to the common people and to the students, to encourage them to see that what India has achieved in the field of science and technology, particularly in case of space technology. As you see, sir, like even Indian Space Research Organization has been supporting all the departments in terms of natural resource management, in terms of water resource management, disaster management, and then different planning and monitoring activities. So here at NESEC also, we are supporting all the 8 states of NER in terms of protecting our environment, protecting our biodiversity, and then monitoring our rich natural resources. And then we are bringing the bus to showcase the students, just to see, like today's theme is the 75 Indian satellites. So we want to show the students, let's see how many satellites India has launched and the different type of applications we have from this large number of satellites. Here what we are showing. And this will motivate our the students, particularly to take science as a career and then to build and to see the great achievement of the country is having in this field of science and technology, particularly in the field of space technology. That is the main objective of bringing this bus to different places to motivate and encourage the students and to see and to feel proud the great achievement the country is having in the field of science and technology. That is the main purpose of bringing the bus to here, sir. We don't want war in any form. And we know this is very destructive because, as we know, science has always both positive and negative sides. Science basically is a tool. So it is up to us to make best use of it, and we should use a positive side of this technology because technology is available, but it should not be destructive one. The GPS system, what is being used, given to us, it can guide a missile, and also it can help us to navigate a place. So if we are using the GPS to navigate a place, it is very well and good. But if the GPS system is used to target someone with a guided missile, definitely it is not what we are not desired, sir. But this technology is available. It is up to us, sir, how best we can make best use of it, sir.